Here in the parish of Pennsylvania, spring has almost sprung. It's a comfortable 13 degrees right now with a dew point of only 3. Think about that. Dew point 3 degrees. Yes, it's ridiculously comfortable. This is the time of year here in Carbondale where people start thinking of things like losing weight, getting their beach body ready for the beach. And to quote J.A. Westerberg, have these people ever even been to the beach? I mean, there's sand and it gets everywhere. In this video, I'm going to talk about the easiest dietary change that you can make to lose weight and be healthy that most people don't even consider. And that is to simply stop drinking sugar. I say it's an easy dietary change because nothing that is involved in this is extreme and it's easy to do. You're not cutting sugar out of your diet. So if you're a heavy chocolate eater or you like your sweets, cakes, desserts, you name it, you're not cutting those out of your diet. You're simply cutting out any kind of drink that has a flavor to it. So you drink water, black coffee, or plain tea for 1 month, 30 days. And at the end of 30 days, you're going to see that you've lost some weight and you feel a lot better. Let's get into it. People all over the world have too much sugar in their diet. And the way we get most of it, 25% of it, is through beverages. The main culprits are sodas, fruit drinks, energy drink, coffee when you add sugar and cream to it. And how about those $10 coffee house coffee drinks, which are mostly sugar to begin with. If you cut those items out of the diet, you can imagine how much sugar you're deleting from your diet simply by not drinking any. A quarter of the sugar in your diet can be removed overnight if you just stop drinking it. The reason we get such a large percentage of calories from sugary drinks is because it's so easy to drink them. If you eat 200 or 300 calories worth of sugary foods, you're going to quickly get the signal from your stomach that says, hey, I'm full, stop eating. But that doesn't happen with sugary drinks. It's easy to consume 200, 300, 600 calories of liquid sugar before you even think about stopping. And sugar in drinks adds up. The average American drinks 100 calories of sugar every day, with many people approaching 200 calories without even thinking about it. Just one sugary drink per day represents about 30 to 40 grams worth of sugar. And if you sit down and add it up, that represents about 12 kilos of sugar per year, or 25 pounds for you boys in the back. That's a lot of sugar. And you could eliminate that completely from your diet if you just stop drinking it. So here's the challenge. For 30 consecutive days, don't drink anything except black coffee, plain tea, or water. No sweetened drinks or flavored drinks of any kind. You don't have to change your diet. You don't have to change your exercise patterns. The only thing you're changing is that you're not drinking anything sweet. Nothing with sugar in it for 30 consecutive days. At the end of that time, I think you'll be very happy with the result. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out.